Okay, time to build the PC. Power supply, important. Motherboard, SSD, and of course a CPU. RAMs. Okay, let's put the CPU first. There we go. CPU fan installed. Yeah, I've been watching Linus Tech Tips to learn PC building. SSD right here. This is the first time I ever held a graphics card. Okay, last piece of the puzzle. Okay, it turns on. Great. Installing Windows. Doing some tests. Definitely faster than the laptop. Oh boy. Sticker on, courtesy of Tai Ho Yen. Thank you so much, man. Okay, let's see how it looks like in the world to awesomeness. Whoa. Nice. Fast and awesome. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, time to get back to work. Whoa.